Hi everyone, and welcome to a video highlighting the market data you can see in your Beyond account. Once you connect your listings to Beyond, you have access to all the market data we source from a variety of publicly available sites, including Airbnb, Expedia, Booking.com, and Vrbo. The first chart you see is the neighborhood occupancy chart, which shows you occupancy in your market last year, thereby showing you the seasonality of your market. By hovering your mouse over the line, you can see what the market occupancy was for any given day. This chart is a great way to identify trends in your market and see which dates have historically been the busiest. Here, we are looking at Palm Springs, and we can see that this is a popular weekend market, as shown by the significant fluctuations in occupancy from a weekend to weekdays. It also helps us identify popular events that bring people to your market, such as New Year's Eve or the 2 weekends of the Coachella Music Festival. So, this graph gives you a good idea of what to expect this year based on what we saw in the market last year. The next toggle on the graph is the neighborhood occupancy for the upcoming year. This is a snapshot of what occupancy looks like in the market as it stands today. This chart is a great way to see what occupancy looks like in the short term and if it's trending in the same way as last year. As you can see, we are already starting to see spikes in demand begin to form for the Coachella Music Festival. This also helps you identify events in the future that you may not be aware of. Next to it, there is also the average historical occupancy, which shows you the historical occupancy for the last year and the year prior by each month. This gives you a good insight into occupancy fluctuations and what your high and low demand months are. The next chart is the neighborhood pricing, and it is a great way to get a sense of how your pricing compared to the market. It highlights the average pricing for Airbnb and Vrbo listings of a similar size and quality in your market. We don't really recommend you making pricing decisions based on the average prices of the other property managers because we don't really know what the information people are using to make these pricing decisions. Think of it this way: you wouldn't want to cheat off of a C student, right? Rather, this is a good way to get a sense of where your listings fall within the market. If it's more of a luxury unit, we'd expect it to be priced higher than the average. If it is more of an economy unit, we would expect to be priced a little bit lower. If you have any questions about the information in your market data tab, please reach out to us at support@beyondpricing.com. Have a great day.